Hello, uh, I'm Mirek from CDN77, and I've got a problem to ask simple questions. So this talk is basically, I will ask you three simple questions in the end, but I have to go to them. Uh, First, I will not speak about. I will speak about AQUA, that is in the subject of this talk, but I have to go there. Uh, First thing first. Everyone here is using Alert Manager, I guess, in some kind of deployment, and everyone knows what Alert Manager is doing. Alert Manager simply gives a notification about every alert. It somehow understands which alerts are new one and which are already known. And per each receiver, it sends the notification. It tracks if the particular receiver was successfully sent or not yet. Uh, it works nice, but this description only applies to single node alert manager. If you want to go to cluster, it is a little bit different. Uh, there is one more line. In the cluster mode, the alert manager nodes simply talk to each other and they keep the knowledge about what alerts were already notified and which weren't to particular receiver. As a bonus for that, how it is doing for each alert, it is doing fingerprint, which is simply hash of all the labels that are for a particular alert. Uh, Here, that's how it should work, and I would love if it would work like that. The thing is, it works well until it doesn't. When it doesn't work, when particular node is rebooted not gracefully. Uh, there is a talk tomorrow about it, about the amnesia of Alert Manager. And yeah, I don't want to jump into that topic because definitely there will be more details. There are like 5 issues on the GitHub tracker for that. And yeah, it's simply, that's the state. When you simply shut down the Alert Manager and start it gracefully, there is NF lock. It works nicely, but when shit hits the fan, it doesn't work. So another problem is if you have multiple alert manager nodes, the more you got of them, the more often you receive instead of simple OK message, you receive a combo of OK fail OK, because they have to speak to each other, and one of the nodes doesn't know that it is okay. So for him, it still failed. So he has the need to tell you it's failed, and then yeah, it's okay. Uh, Another thing is that the supported deployment for Prometheus and for Victoria metrics is that you are notifying all the alert manager nodes that you've got. You are shipping from all your monitoring clusters. In our case, in CDN77, we've got 5 clusters all over the world in different continents and one more that are shipping the alerts to alert managers, all of them. And the more often it's happening, it sucks because our company owner and founder, he likes the buzz of the alerts. So his phone still is receiving all the SMSs for a server down. And yeah, I'm responsible for monitoring. So you can imagine it's sometimes difficult. So I wanted to fix that. And how to fix that? You've got 5 clusters. It's ideal for you to have there some quorum. You don't want to say that some server is down when you cannot ping it from Amsterdam when the server is in Hong Kong. It's not relevant. So yeah, other issues of Alert Manager, sorry. Alert Manager, as it is, it doesn't support rate limits. So if one of those issues that I mentioned, like flipping all the knowledge and the amnesia, it's flipping the status of all the fuck. Sorry. So it doesn't have the rate limits. It doesn't have the quorum. So you have to write something else. What we wrote some tool that is fetching the alert managers, like bunch of them. It's managing some quorum. It's processing based on some scripts that you define. If the alert is new, if it's resolved, it's sending the customized messages. And with that, you may even write some messages that are like server down, 5 servers in Frankfurt, and some samples of the IPs, because you don't want to send SMS for each server when your company owner is receiving all the SMSs. And yeah, it has the rate limit. Yeah, it's running in. Sorry. Yeah, thank you. My at least let me ask my questions. Is there some open source tool that is supposed to send the correct notifications, not all the notifications as Alert Manager is doing it, because the flipped ones simply suck and everyone is like angry about it? And is there some open source tool like that? Should we open source it? Because like my feeling is that everyone had to already face this issue.
All right. So please open source this. I don't think there's anything like this, and I think it'll help scale Alert Manager. But I'm sorry to cut you off. And if anyone is also having issues around Alert Manager, like we are seeing a constant theme of things, so we'll discuss it at the Dev Summit on Thursday, and maybe we can all come up with a plan for Alert Manager. Thank you. Yeah. All right. We have